Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing good and everybody is well. In today's video, I am making a very easy recipe that you can make it so easily, and it only needs 5 ingredients. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like to this video. And now let's move on to the video. First, I have chopped off some garlic. That's our first ingredient. And second, we need potatoes. Of course, that's the hero of our today's recipe. And I am using a hack to boil the potatoes. Just make some holes with a fork and then put it inside a plastic, then microwave for, I had 2 potatoes, so I microwaved for 6 minutes. And then it was nicely boiled. I peeled off the skin and then I put everything in with the garlic, but then I figured it out that my bowl was too short and I couldn't smash the potatoes, so I changed my bowl. And after that, we have to smash the potato really nicely like this, and then we are going to add our salt, red chili powder, and I added a little bit more salt, and last ingredient, corn flour. And that's all. Our 5 ingredients are done. These are the main things that we are going to need to make this, and except for this, only oil we'll need. I did not add that because for frying it, of course, we need oil. Anyway, then after the mixture, you have mixed everything properly. We have got a very nice mixture. We are going to make small balls like this. So we are mostly making potato balls. After that, I created as many balls as possible, and I'm extremely sorry my sizes are not equal, but that's alright. Then I started by I ended, but it's the last step anyway, by pouring some oil, and then I'm going to fry all of the potato fries that we had made. When it is like this slightly golden or like golden brown color, we are going to one by one take it out, and we can keep it in a plate. What I like to do is that I place some tissues so that the plate doesn't become so oily. Just like that, I fried the rest of them, and this is our end result. It was so yummy. I hope you try it, and it's so easy. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Masalama.